Now, when it comes to enlarging images, there can be some issues too. Here's an image, 5 by 7, 100 pixels per inch, and if I zoom up on it pretty big, you'll see what the issues are. You can see the pixelizing and so forth that's on this particular image here. And in this particular case, I'm going to zoom way back because I'm going to take the 7.5 inches here and we're going to make that 10 feet. That's 120 inches. And this is actually a photo. And what I'm going to do here is split the screen so you can see it in half. The left side is being re-sampled, and you can see how sharp that looks there. That looks pretty good, you know. And there's a lot of different settings in here that you can set. Let me turn that off. We'll go back to the whole thing, and you'll see the whole image being resampled here. This is actually really good for considering how much that we're trying to do here. I mean, you know, we're actually resampling the image. It's literally getting rid of some of the stuff in the background. There's a lot of things you can do. Artifact reduction, you know, you can just move this forward here and it'll get rid of some of that, the artifacts in the back, you know, by combining them. That's that little halo ghosting effect that you have on JPEGs and so forth. Look at the skin getting clearer and so forth. Not bad. So this is now 10 feet in size, and I'm actually going to reduce the resolution. I'm going to say 50 pixels per inch at full size, and even at that resolution, at a 10-foot image here now, you're talking about 67 megabyte file for this JPEG file here. Now that's awesome because that's going to make printing this a lot easier. It's going to rip and print. It doesn't use up a lot of memory. So I highly recommend this program to you. This is from Ben Vista. It's called Photo Zoom, and it's a wonderful program for resampling images. Come to a live workshop and I'll show you all the details on how to use it.